Hey, it's Adam from KINCROME. We've got a very large range of utility knives, and I'm going to take you through each of them individually, and I'm going to show you how to use them, how to hold them, how to change the blade, and any key differences between the models that we have here. Okay, this one is the Adventure Knife. So this is a little bit different than the other ones that we have in the range. To start with, it has a lanyard point here, so you can attach it. On the other side, it has a nice belt clip as well, and a metal backing. And on the front is a G10 composite material handle, nice and comfortable. Now to open this knife, it's got a lever here that you should start, so put your finger on that and pull down, and then open the blade with the other hand, okay? It's a long blade, it's 100 millimeters from point to here, fully extended 220 millimeters. Now to close this knife, you just need to move this locking lever to the side a little bit. So use your thumb, move it to the side, clear it, and then you can close the knife, nice and easy. It's very sharp, very big, and you can resharpen it. So there you have it. Hopefully you've learned something. See you next time.